So here you have several dates. So you have different dates. So you have settlement date, then you have maturity dates, then you have maturity and the face value. Normally we calculate bonds price based on 100 taka par. So if the bonds actual face value is 1 million, you can just calculate based on 100 taka par. Coupon, number of coupon per year, here I show 2, which means this bond will give you coupon on a semi-annual basis. Coupon rate is 8%, YTM is 7%. YTM is the rate at which the bond's cash flows will be discounted, and we'd like to calculate the price of the bond. We'd like to calculate the macular duration of the bond. We'd like to calculate the modified duration of the bond. For your information, modified duration gives you the estimate percentage change in bonds price due to 100 basis point change in YTM. So let's calculate the bonds. First, let's calculate the bonds YTM. Let's calculate the bonds price first. So if I go to this here price, so I need a price. So this price function is actually a price. You just type price. So when you type price, your the Excel function is asking for you a settlement date. Settlement date is the date on which you actually bought the bond, or I can say the date when the settlement took place. Whenever you buy a bond, you have to select a settlement date. On that date, you will get the bond in your accounts. So settlement date, then you have maturity. So here I select the maturity. Then you need rate. Here rate means rate means coupon rate. So coupon rate is 8%. Then YLD means YTM. So in our case, YTM is 7%, which is D10. Then comma, redemption. Redemption means is there any redemption value or not? Answer is yes. This bond will give me face value at maturity, which is the redemption value. And then frequency, 1 for annual, 2 for semi-annual, 4 for quarterly. I can select here, or I could manually type here, or I can select from this option as well. I close the bracket. So here you can see the price of the bond is 104.16. Since the coupon rate is 8% and YTM is 7, so bond is priced at premium. If the YTM increase to 9%, then the bond price will come down to 96.04. So now I would like to see a duration calculation, which is the macular duration. So if you would like to calculate macular duration, so you have to type duration. So duration gives you the macular duration, the duration formula. Again, settlement date. Then you need to give maturity. Then coupon is again 8%. YTM is 9%. Frequency is my semi-annual frequency. And it asking you whether the coupon payment is based on actual days or 3360. Just simply know that 3360 takes, like, for example, 30 day a month and 360 day a year. On the other hand, there are actual by 360, actual by 365. I'll use actual by 365, which is actual to actual, or actual by 365 can be used. So let's actual to actual. So I'll select that, which is actually 1, bracket close. No, yeah, actual to actual, which is 1. So bracket close and enter. So it shows the macular duration is 4.2. So M duration gives you the modified duration. What's the difference between modified and macular duration? The difference is macular duration is the approximate number of years you need to hold the bond to get to make it pay back, we can say. There are a lot of definitions. So for example, if you hold this bond for 4.24 years, then on a present value basis, your payment is your payback or discounted payback basis. If you invested, say, 104.16 taka, after 4.24 years, you will have a payback. So beyond 4.24 years, whatever coupon you get, that comes to your return. Another way we can say, if I use I hold the bond for 4.24 years, my interest rate risk and reinvestment risk offset each other if I hold the bond for 4.24 years. Another way we can say this, it is a weighted average number of years of the bond. Now, modified duration. Modified duration is normally macular duration divided by 1 plus periodic yield. But in Excel, we have built-in function. So that built-in function is M duration. So M duration, you have to give again the same syntax: settlement, maturity. So once you do that, you can memorize this. Yield, frequency is 2, and again actual to actual I'm giving, bracket close, enter. That's the formula is different. Modified and modified duration. Here this is 4.09. The reason because I have used 9% YTM. Here I used 8%, 7% YTM. So if I given 7% YTM here, if you see that same number 4.24 and 4.09.